Assalamualaikum, my name is Hassan and today we are going to add Apple Pay or Google Pay in checkout page in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to add Apple Pay or Google Pay in checkout page using plugin. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WooCommerce Stripe payment gateway. So this is plugin we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. So I already installed this plugin and connected this plugin to Stripe account. On left side you see WooCommerce and then you see settings, so click on it, and then you see payment tab, so click on it. So this is our checkout page. Now back to WooCommerce payment tab, and then you see all payment gateway, and then you see Stripe, so click on it. So we already enable this. Then scroll down, you see Apple Pay, Google Pay, enable, so click on customize. So we already connected this plugin to our Stripe account. Scroll down, you see message, so Apple Pay or Google Pay button show to customer according to their wallet configuration. Customer don't see both button at the same time, only show Apple Pay or Google Pay at one time. And then you see show express checkout on checkout page, so we enable this setting. Call to action size, and then you see preview, and then click on save changes. Now go to checkout page, refresh the page. Now you see buy with Google Pay and plugin show this button according to our configuration, so click on it. Now you see all detail, also you see total amount, and then you see pay button. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.